In this video, we'll walk through the correct way to set up a tall pipe and drape system using professional-grade equipment designed for heights up to 20 feet. For this setup, we're featuring our 8-foot to 20-foot 3-piece slip collar uprights with castle top, paired with 24-inch heavy-duty 62-pound bases. We're spacing uprights 10 feet apart, using 7-foot to 12-foot drape supports set at 10 feet, and finishing the look with 20-foot high gold sheer drape. We'll start with the base pin. The standard pin height is 6 inches, which works well for many applications. For taller setups like this one, we strongly recommend considering a 9-inch or 12-inch pin for added stability and improved load distribution. Next, we place the upright onto the base pin, making sure it's fully seated and secure. For this setup, we're spacing our uprights 10 feet apart, which is ideal for maintaining strength while minimizing sag at taller heights. One feature that really simplifies tall setups is our laser-etched height markers on the uprights. These markers eliminate guesswork and help you set consistent heights with no eyeballing required. Short hash marks represent half-foot increments, while long hash marks indicate full foot measurements, making it fast and easy to get precise heights on large-scale installs. We also offer custom laser etching on uprights, including branding, inventory IDs, or location markers, another smart way to streamline setup and teardown. Before raising the uprights, we always recommend installing the drape while the system is set lower. Here, the uprights are adjusted to 8 feet high, making it easier and safer to load the fabric. Once the drape is in place, we'll raise the uprights to full height. When working with a 3-piece upright, always start with the top section first, followed by the middle section. This approach helps maintain balance and reduces unnecessary strain during setup. To finish the setup, we secure each base with 30-pound base weights. Depending on the application and environment, 20-pound weights are also available. Weight selection should always be based on height, fabric weight, and venue conditions. Pipe and drape is an industrial product and should always be installed with safety in mind. Pipe and drape should never be used in environments where a tip-over could cause injury or property damage. We also recommend wearing protective gloves during setup and teardown to help prevent pinches, cuts, and abrasions. When installed correctly with the right components, tall pipe and drape systems can be safe, efficient, and visually impactful.